let me ask you this: the motorcycle run. It's a great, it's a privilege for these people to get together in memory of Bobby and to raise money.
Yeah.
What's your overall feeling about it? Is it does it kind of refreshen the sad memory of losing your son, or do you kind of look at it from a perspective of, wow, here's the community standing up again and remembering our son?
It's more, anything would make me sad, but it makes me very proud and happy, and happy that we have such a great community here. That I just didn't realize what an impact he had on everybody. Good person, very giving. So we're so proud to have this done, and just honored by all this. So very honored. We want to thank everybody in the community for it. They're going to have a golf tournament to raise money for both golf teams. And, Bobby left so much money to the athletic programs in the county. I'm sure he's going to be looking down smiling at all this. To be remembered, so anything like this is what he wanted.
Kind of unique, isn't it, Ted, about having such a small community, and even though a lot of people probably didn't know Bobby, because of the fact that we live in such a small community, the tragedy of his death just brought so many people together, and I really have a feeling that a lot of people who never met him still felt like they knew him.
people, they knew him. I think everybody in the county knew somebody that knew him, you know. Because, like I say, when he would come back to town, he would always stop and visit everybody, all the teachers, you know, make a point of taking time to stop and visit all these people. So that's something that not very many people, including myself, would do, you know. It's always like, I'll see you when I'm in town, and I never, you know, I don't have time to stop or whatever. But he would. I'd give it all up in a second, but to have him back. But there's nothing better that could be done. You know, I mean, it's perfect. It's what he wanted.